If you are living abroad and you have a bakery at home, or you are thinking of opening any bakery at home, this is how you will be able to manage your bakery from a distance. Wherever you are in the world, you'll be able to manage that bakery successfully. So stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. But first of all, do me a favor. Click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, the first step you should take is knowledge. Do findings. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the business, how the business works, how they run the business, everything about the business. Watch my videos because I've been able to create not less than 15 videos on bread making business. So it will guide you. Make sure you understand the business, the recipe formulation, each item, the cost of everything. It will help you. Now, the second step you should take is suppliers contact. Don't give your workers that chance, that opportunity to be going to the market to buy things for you. No, buy your sugar by yourself, buy your nylon, buy everything by yourself. Wherever you are in the world, Nigeria is connected. Wherever you are, you'll be able to call the supplier. You'll be able to call the supplier of flour. You should be able to call the supplier of sugar, the supplier of margarine, the supplier of your nylons. Now, the third point is you must master the baking process in a way that you may not be the baker, but you should be able to know how many loaves will come out of one bag. Now, in Nigeria, our bag of flour is 50 kg. So you should know that if they are baking sliced bread, they are baking jumbo, they are baking mini, they are baking round bread, each of these ones, how many will come out per bag? So anytime they call you, if they bake half bag, if they tell you that today we are able to produce half bag of mini and half bag of sliced, you know that half bag of mini should be able to give you, let's say, about 200 loaves, and the half bag for sliced should be able to give you about 70 loaves. You don't need explanation. That is the number. So when you are asking for feedback or the alert you are expecting, you know the amount that should be there. Nothing more, nothing less. So when you do it that way, nobody can, twist the game. Nobody will tell you that there is no profit. Already you know how many loaves. So because you know how many loaves and you know the cost of the raw materials you call the supplier to give, you'll be able to calculate the profit from where you are and know how much should enter your account. You'll be able to know how much should enter your account every day at the end of every day's production. Very easy and clear. So find time to study the business, find time to visit markets, get suppliers, reliable suppliers contacts. Just like that. You must know, you must have it. Put it in record, have it in your own book. Wherever you are, you must have a book, your own record book, so that you'll be able to follow up. Finally, which is one of the most important things you should consider, look for a very sincere, honest manager. Someone you will trust. Someone that will be able to, that will see the business as his or her own and run the business, seeing it as opportunity for her or for him to grow. When you have that one person, 90% of the problems you are supposed to face are solved. Because there are tips. Every bakery have these tips. They have these tips. Every bakery. So, for you to be able to manage people that are ready to steal your bread, ready to steal eggs, ready to steal butter, ready to steal one thing or the other, for you to be able to manage these people while you are absent, that means somebody, your eye must be there. Somebody must be there, like as your eye, must represent you in that business. So whether you are absent or present, the business remains the same. The business will run the same way, effectively and smoothly. So look for a very sincere manager. It may not be your brother, because your brother will see the business as his own and do it anyhow. It may not be your relative, because they may not be happy that you are progressing. So, but a friend, someone, just look for a sincere manager. When you get that sincere manager, I tell you, wherever you are, you will smile. Bakery business is lucrative. depending on your management skills, the ability to manage the business, and your recipe, your location. These three factors, determine the progress, the success of bakery. If you have the right recipe, the ability to manage, and the location of your business, you will smile to the bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends. Drop your comment, your own opinion, your own ideas, your own understanding, and your own suggestions, so that others will learn. See you in our next video. God bless you.